Mastering, hold the territory, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, hold the territory. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love enriching your vocabulary, understanding this phrase will add depth to your language skills. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the context where it shines the most. The phrase, hold the territory, is a metaphorical expression derived from military terminology. In its literal sense, it refers to maintaining control or possession of a physical area during a conflict. However, when used metaphorically, it signifies maintaining one's position, stance, or advantage in a situation, despite challenges or opposition. To truly grasp the meaning of hold the territory, let's look at some examples. In debates or discussions, when someone maintains their argument against counter-arguments, they are said to hold the territory. It means they're effectively defending their viewpoint. In sports, a team that keeps its lead in a game, despite the other team's efforts to catch up, is holding the territory. In personal growth, when someone sticks to their goals or beliefs despite temptations or discouragements, they're holding the territory in their personal development journey. Using hold the territory correctly involves understanding its context and connotations. Here are some tips. Use it in contexts of challenge or competition. The phrase is most effective when describing scenarios involving some form of opposition or difficulty. Combine it with other expressions of resilience. Phrases like, stand your ground, or keep the faith, complement the idea of holding the territory, enriching your narrative. Congratulations! You now understand what it means to hold the territory. This phrase is a powerful tool in your English language arsenal, perfect for describing moments of determination, resilience, and steadfastness. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more equipped to hold your territory in English conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.